In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and stop voice mode in the Perplexity app on iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a voice conversation, interrupt a response when you need to, and smoothly get back to typing if that's your preference. First, open the Perplexity app on your iPhone. You'll land on the main screen with a text box ready for your question. Inside that text box, look for the small sound wave icon. It usually sits on the right side of the input field and indicates voice mode. When you tap this icon, the app switches from typing to speaking, so you can talk naturally instead of writing everything out. Now ask Perplexity AI any question you have. You can speak conversationally, just like you would with a person. A helpful tip here is to keep your question clear and specific. For example, if you're asking about a topic, mention any key details that matter to you. Speak at a steady pace and try to minimize background noise so the app hears you accurately. After you ask your question, Perplexity will start speaking its answer aloud and you'll see the response on the screen as well. While the AI is talking, you have full control over playback. If you decide you've heard enough or want to move on, look for the X button that appears on the screen during the voice response. It's there to let you interrupt the audio at any time. Tap the X and the voice response will immediately stop. This won't delete your conversation or remove the text. It simply halts the audio so you can act on what you've already heard. From here, you have two options. If you want to continue with your voice, you can speak again and ask a follow-up question or start a new topic. This keeps the conversation flowing quickly and naturally. If you're done with voice for now, you can exit voice mode and return to the regular typing experience. Your previous messages remain available, so you can scroll, copy text, or type a new prompt whenever you like. That's all there is to it. Open the app, tap the sound wave icon, ask your question out loud, and when you need to, tap the X to stop the voice reply. Then either keep talking or switch back to typing. With these simple steps, you'll be able to navigate voice mode confidently and make your conversations with Perplexity smoother and more efficient.